Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I am Muhammad Ehsan Jatta, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Government Degree College Chichavatne. Today articles is Paracol of the BSc Chemistry, especially Physical Chemistry. Paracore values related to the surface tension. You know that surface tension is defined as it is the inward pull of the liquid. If 1 Newton force is applied at right angle to the surface of the liquid, if 1 Newton force is applied at right angle to the surface of the liquid 1 meter apart to stretch it again to its original position, the force applied 1 Newton, that will be known as its surface tension. If the force in joule is applied to stretch the surface to original position, it's also known as surface tension. Surface tension here is simply related with its densities, and density, liquid any liquid have its vapors also. So the density and its vapor simple relationship is known as Paracore values. Paracore values, if molar volume of the liquid we taken as unity, molar volume of the liquid any is taken as unity, then the ratio of the molar volume and density it's also become unity. So the Paracore values the considers that they are unity if the surface tension are taken as 1 equal to 1 are unity. Paracore values have very important for determine many phenomena in molecules. Surface tension have it's about tell us many important its applications. Here's many some applications are given as positions of the any substituent. Position of any substituent in aromatic ring do not affect the values of the Paracore values. In book you know that here the surface tension of the compound parachlorotoluene is given 283.30. Parachlorotoluene is given 283.30, but its other an isotope is taken it has not more than value 283. So the paracol the substituent don't affect the paracore values. Number 2, here the major example is given as quinone. Quinone it is just like a benzene ring, but both sides it has a doubly bonded oxygen and ketonic group is present on both sides. Its paracore values is 236.1, but its isomers when taken is at various position, then it may be varies its surface tension. Then first as seen is in this examples. And if suggested different structure of the nitro group here in isomers of the various nitro compound, the surface tension varies accordingly. As in first case, surface tension is 98.9. Similarly, in second, 74.1, and in third, 49.30. And number 4, when two oxygen are linked together, then it is lowest value 63.2 surface tension. So paracore जो है वो affect the values accordingly if the different compounds are taken and their structure. So it can provide important information by giving the representing the exact picture of the various compound, such as given here nitro group picture. The paracore values of the nitro group explain the structure of the nitro compound. Thank you. And once we study the paracore values.